Welcome to Kids Grab and Go Keychain Craft. As you look at all the contents in this fun craft activity, be sure to get your markers ready and start coloring in. Your keychain will be special as you pick whatever colors you'd like. Will you be mine? So exciting as we get ready for the Valentine's Day holiday. After you're finished coloring, be sure to get the black cord. Loosely fold it in half like so. At the one end, where it kind of looks like a rainbow, stick it through your key ring. Now in this case, I used my actual wood heart keychain ring, or you can use the extra one that comes in your kit. You'll then tuck the loose ends through to create a knot and pull tight. Next, line up your beads so that they are set up to say I, heart, and then the word you. You'll slide it through on the bottom and push it all the way up towards the key ring. Continue on with this pattern until you're complete. Complete, go ahead and tie a knot at the end of your bead, I love you, and tighten it. You'll find you'll have extra cord left over. You or your grown-up can help you trim off the extra. And there you have it, Kids Grab and Go Keychain Craft. Be sure to subscribe at our YouTube channel, Manlius Library, for more ideas, including our Create Your Own series or even our Talking Hands for more fun.